Hi guys, today I'm going to do what a lot of people who were in China, like Kim Java,
This.
I mean,
Okay,
look
look
at
at the
this guy.
sky.
bridge rebuilds,
Jesus, take the wheel.
and many other influencers and YouTubers couldn't do. I am going to test FSD of Tesla in the Netherlands, just to compare it with the VLA 2.0 I have tested in China.
Oh, wow! There's an obstacle on the road.
So how will it work? Will it be safe? Will it be feeding safe? And how will it manage the streets of Arnhem? Okay, there's a difference between Arnhem and Beijing or Guangzhou because there is a lot of traffic over there, but also the roads in the Netherlands can be challenging. And mind the bicycles, mind the roads where there is no line in the middle of the road. So how will it handle? I show you everything in this video, and I think we have some surprises, but I hope I'll be surprised too. Enjoy. Hi guys, I'm testing the FSD on Tesla here, and of course I don't test it on the highway because I think that's a piece of cake for these kinds of cars. I've tested VLA 2.0 in China, so let's see what FSD in the Netherlands can do. One of the first, no, the first country in Europe that has the legislation for FSD from Tesla. So let's see. We're driving through a small village close to Arnhem, where I live. I don't take the highway, that's too dull. And let's see what he's doing. I also want to check what he's doing. And, oh, that is nice. Because he sees the traffic lights turns to red and it stops perfectly. And just we wait a while, and when it turns to green, yes, we're driving again. So we're driving to the center city of Arnhem. There's a nice road where a lot of bikes are. Not quite similar as in Guangzhou or Beijing, but could be a little bit hectic. I turned on the navigation, but every time he wants to take another road. And in this road, 50 was allowed, and he thinks it was 30, so he slowed down. Don't know why, but let's see. Crossing the bridge, one of the bridges in Arnhem, and let's see whether he finds the correct navigation to the street I've chosen, and not turning every time and want to go over the highway. So let's see how this traffic light works, because the last traffic light he missed. It turned green and we waited and waited and waited, but he picks up this one nicely. It's still very quiet over here. It's with vacation time over here. Okay, but still in the center city of Arnhem can be busy. And of course, the Netherlands is very famous for his bikes. Yes, I have to admit, a lot of it feels the same way as VLA 2.0. I don't have to touch the steering wheel. There's a difference. With Xpeng, you have to touch sometimes your steering wheel. That's the Chinese law. That's not
Over
necessarily
200
here.
meter, sla rechtsaf naar Eusebius buitensingel.
It's very strict about when you're not watching the road. You get a warning, and I even heard there's a
Sla rechtsaf
penalty
naar Eusebius buitensingel.
if you don't obey and look at the road immediately. Yeah, that's not me. That was another weird situation. The traffic lights were on.
Houd links aan om op Eusebius buitensingel te blijven.
Again, he thinks it's 30 kilometers an hour as maximum speed. That isn't true. It's 50 over here. And what I wanted to say, there was a traffic light and turned green for us, but there was also a light for when you want to drive more to the left. That was still red, and it still stopped for the
Ga de rotonde op en neem de
green
eerste afslag.
traffic light. Yes, and I know we have to go to the right, and it takes the left lane. I never would do that. I would take immediately the right lane over here, and the scooter behind us. It's very busy always over here. And we have to go to the right. Or he drives very differently from what I would do. And I think,
Yeah.
okay, no. And still, he should go to the right now. Okay, but I'm just let it go. Let it go and relax. Okay, now he goes to the right. And there's a camera over there, a speed camera. What? Okay, 42 is okay. And still thinks it's 30. No, that's not true. It's 50 kilometers maximum. Now we're almost there. Takes the orange, the yellow light. Let me see what he's doing now. Okay, he's parking over there. In fact, it's the right restaurant that I've chosen, but it's not the right street. The street is in front of us. So that's that's very good because it thinks I'm very alert. Okay, we are going to another destination. Let me see where the navigation is. Navigation over there. And I want, thank you. That's my son. This is assisting me. And I'm going to my own house. And how do I start now? Okay. Yes. Okay. So now we are in a quite busy street. A lot of bikes, a lot of traffic. Also you see bikes from the other side of the road. It's allowed here. And people also do sometimes things that are not allowed. I want to activate the FSD. So. Okay. There's a scooter, the left. Let's see it. That's good. Okay, he wants to make a turn. And instead of follow the navigation, I want to do this road another time because this is nice. It's not Beijing, it's not Guangzhou, it's Arnhem, but it's nice to test it. Got a turn over here. It's not too difficult. Always have to be careful over here because we had a green light, but you don't have to stop Tesla. It's very polite, but I wouldn't do that because the lady was surprised and I was too. Now I'm going to take over again because I want the street a second time, and then we go to my home. Okay, then. Oh. Yes, doing the same street for a second time. Bikes with a phone in the hand, it's not allowed. Not paying attention. No, I don't want. Oh, yeah, yes, okay. He's going to the right. It's his decision because I'm navigating to my own home right now. It's more quiet, this small street. It stays in the middle of the road. And decided to go to the right. Okay, whatever you want. Yes. This is zero emission zone, so that is no problem for us. So at this moment, 30 kilometers an hour is allowed. Driving 20. I don't know, I'm not really sure, but I think he sees the speed bumps. And that's why he's slowing down. That is nice. I didn't see any speed bumps in China, so stops. Where do you stop? Okay, maybe he thought that the woman with the bike was crossing the street. Oh yes. You're lucky there wasn't somebody behind me, because when there was somebody behind me and he sees that the traffic light is green, he hits the pedal and is next to me. Now, could be a little bit more assertive. This is the easy part, I think. So the next part of the road has a lot of speed bumps, very nasty speed bumps. So I'm wondering what it's going to do. And still, I'm doing nothing, watching, because Xpeng, Tesla is watching me, not Xpeng. First speed bump, that's the easy one. Okay, it's 50 and I see the sign 30 kilometers an hour, and yes, slows down. Hey, he thinks it's okay, now 30. This is the first bump. And you really should slow down at these bumps. Otherwise, your head will up and still. But I'm satisfied. Oh, so sad that I couldn't test the speed bumps in China. I don't believe that they exist over there. The question is, do I feel the same as in the Xpeng with VLA 2.0? And I give you my conclusion at the end of the video. So, always very busy point over here. Don't know why these bikers are standing over there, because bikers are not allowed on this road. There's a bike road and they should stay there. I think these are tourists, foreign tourists, and this is probably no problem. And then we turn to the right. Yes, the bikers are behind me on the road. So, sign now 30 kilometers an hour, normally 50, but he didn't see the sign. Speed limit now is 30. He missed that one. Well, yes, goes to 60. In my personal opinion, I would drive a little bit more to the right. It's not driving in the center of the road, thank God, but I would recommend to drive a little bit more to the right to give the driver and his co-driver a safe feeling. So, left turn, car from the other side of the road. Yes, he has to wait, and he does, and turns. Hey guys, this is the street where I live, in the center, not in the center of Arnhem. That's why I live, and it should stop over here. Yes, will stop, yes, it will stop. Yes, nice. Tesla, don't drive so much to the left. It doesn't feel safe. And there's a bus. No, 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 more to the right. Okay, he's not stopping. He's stopping the system. Why? The fuck? But I'm blocked. Oh, what are you? My God! What are you doing, Tesla?
Forget to like and subscribe.